Hey, what's going on, Motor City Fireworks fans? Mike here. I'm at our store in Mount Clemens. As you can see behind me, we're putting out a whole lot of new stuff. And a couple weeks ago, we put out the Detroiter Avenue Finale set. A set of 4 extra large aerials that comes with Woodward, Jefferson, Grand River, and Cass Avenue. And I'm very happy to announce that we have even more Detroit Fireworks Company items. They've just showed up. We just took them off the truck. They're still in the back room. I haven't even had a chance to look at them yet. So we're gonna head into the warehouse and let's take a look and see what just showed up. All right, here we are in the back room. Got in a whole lot of stuff today, as you can see. What's going on over here? Ooh, 1.45 inch. I can dig that. Maybe some UV XL aerials. I can dig it, but this is what I really want to show you. Oh man. The all new, exclusive, created by yours truly, the Detroit Fireworks Company Spirit of Detroit 12-shot XL aerial finale set. Oh man, these are so awesome. It's a set of 4, 12 shots each. Comes with 313, Fist of Detroit, Detroit Love, and of course, the Spirit of Detroit. These things are sick. Nice shiny packaging. Effects on the side, descriptions on the back. The all-new Spirit of Detroit XL Finale set. Just showed up at our warehouse in Mount Clemens, so it is now available in Mount Clemens. It will be available at all other Michigan locations very soon, along with the Detroiter Avenue Finale set. Awesome. Hope you guys are excited as I am about getting these in the store. Remember, they can only be found at Motor City Fireworks, nowhere else. Only Motor City Fireworks. So come in and get your set. Be one of the first to grab it today in Mount Clemens, or grab it in a couple days at all other Michigan locations. That does it for me. I'm heading back up to the store, and we'll see you guys soon.